Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful, cozy day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a look at the December 2023 release from OHM Beads. This is part of their winter collection and I'm excited to share the new beads from this collection, and I think my dogs are too. So if you're ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I'm having some pumpkin pie matcha from DAVIDsTEA, and let's get started with today's unboxing. So I was so excited to finally have a chance to open this. I've been so busy with exams and then Christmas holiday season, and I just couldn't wait to open this. It was actually underneath my Christmas tree, so it felt like a special Christmas present. A huge thank you to OHM Beads for gifting me this box to review and style with, as well as to each and every one of you, because I wouldn't have these opportunities without you. So thank you so much. As a lot of you guys know, I am an ambassador. Feel free to use my code Emily in all capital letters to save 20% off nature and flower themed beads. The first item I'm unboxing, I got so excited. It's the 2024 OHM Beads calendar, and it's a new design. It looks so cool. I see an H, I see an M, and I see an O on it. Isn't that so cool how they did that? So clever, and I'm so excited to use this. I've been traveling a lot the past couple of years, so I haven't really had a chance to use my OHM Beads calendar. And now I have my desk. It's going to be honestly, it'll be helpful to look at that when I'm like studying to see the dates. I'm very excited to use that. Now it looks like we have 4 different beads to unbox. I'm really excited to see each of the beads that are inside. So the first one is called Breakthrough. It looks so cool. It is a glass bead and it just looks so pretty. So here is what OHM Beads has to say about this bead. In the realm of personal growth and transformation, there is a profound concept that shines brightly: the breakthrough. Breakthrough is a moment of profound realization that opens the door to new possibilities. Let's embody our inner strength, resilience, and unwavering determination. We call it the Ice Queen effect. The Ice Queen represents a powerful archetype, one who possesses a regal demeanor, yet exudes an aura of cool confidence. Embracing the Ice Queen within us means acknowledging our own unique essence, unapologetically standing tall in our individuality, and defying the expectations that seek to confine us. Discover the hidden depths within yourself, unlock your true potential, and embrace the transformative power that lies within. Embark on a remarkable journey of self-discovery and find the freedom to create a life that reflects the brilliance of your authentic essence. I love how this bead looks. You have a mixture kind of icy blues, purples, and that kind of aura that they speak of, kind of like that goldenness in it. It is just so pretty. Love this bead. Very excited to style with it. Now, of course, the next bead we're going to be pulling out here is called Ice Queen. Oh my goodness, this bead. You guys have probably seen it on social media. I've seen some other ambassadors showing it, and I feel so in love. And I feel so honored to have a chance to review this bead. It is gorgeous. It is the Ice Queen's crown. There's so much detail on it. You can even wear it as a pendant. It has a little hole at the top, so if you have the ball necklace, you can put that on there and wear it as a pendant, which I definitely think I'm gonna do because it's so pretty. And look at the blue cubic zirconia at the center. It is so pretty. Here's what OHM Beads has to say about this bead. Fit for royalty. The Ice Queen is a mythical character known for her stunning beauty and icy demeanor, and our crown captures her essence perfectly. The snow and sparkle will transport you to the frozen wonderland of the Ice Queen. From glittering snowflake-inspired patterning to sparkling crystal, you'll feel like you're the queen of the ice castle. Wrap yourself in a luxurious fur blanket or don a pair of cozy fur-trimmed boots to complete the feeling. Whether you're looking to add a touch of frosty elegance to your wardrobe or transform yourself into an ice queen for a special occasion, our Ice Queen has everything you need to channel your inner regal beauty. The next bead is so festive and so fun. It is called Light Up, and as you can see, it is Christmas lights and a little bit tangled up at the top. This is so adorable. Every little light bulb dangles, and it's just so fun. It makes like a cute little sound too. Here's what OHM Beads has to say about this bead. Once upon a time, in a world filled with magical holiday cheer, we carefully stored away strings of meticulously organized twinkling lights, boxed up with memories of holidays past, illuminating our festivities every year. Today, a simple yet familiar sight, a wad of Christmas lights that were absolutely not like that when you put them away. With its vintage light bulb design, Light Up evokes a warm sense of nostalgia and timeless grace. As the lights gently sway and shine, bring a playful touch and radiance that effortlessly captivates attention and sparks joyful conversations wherever you may be. Its intricate nest of wires and delicate craftsmanship make it the perfect centerpiece for the holiday season, a treasure that can be cherished for years to come, passed down through generations as a symbol of enduring light. The last bead is also on the festive note, and it is so fun. It is called the 2024 Sugar Sleigh Ride. Here's what OHM Beads has to say about it. The future of holiday magic. In a world that moves faster than ever, Santa knows that he has to keep up with the times. Delivering presents to every child around the globe requires speed, precision, and sustainable solutions. Ho, 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 Santa here, and I'm ready to take the sleigh ride of the future. 2024 Sugar Sleigh Ride glides silently through the night sky, leaving nothing but holiday cheer in its wake. With its advanced GPS navigation system, this sleigh knows every chimney, every rooftop, and every child's home. No gift is left undelivered. In self-riding mode, Santa can relax and enjoy the ride, freeing up time to write personalized notes for each child, adding that extra touch of magic to their Christmas morning. The 2024 Sugar Sleigh Ride is designed with sustainability in mind, ensuring a greener and brighter future for generations to come. Experience the future of the sleigh and let the 2024 Sugar Sleigh Ride take your holiday spirits to new heights. I love the story of this bead. I think it is so whimsical and so fun. And if you're thinking of doing like a wintry holiday galaxy theme, this bead is so perfect. What a fun bead. And anyway, you guys, that is basically it for today's OHM Beads December 2023 unboxing. Here's a quick overview of the different beads in the collection. I will have the names of all these beads and links on where to find them down below. Some of these may be sold out, so keep your eye out just to see if OHM Beads is going to replenish some of the stock. I'm not sure yet, but keep your eyes out if there's one on your OHM Beads wish list. I am so excited to design with these. You might have seen earlier, I had a little bit of a bracelet design I did, but I want to continue to design with these. Like, it's been so busy with school, so it's been really fun to have this little holiday break to play around. Also, like, I think you guys know with the water damage and moving, I've just been so busy unpacking and all of that stuff. So now I'm fully, moved into my new home. It's such a treat. I can get back into like some bead therapy and stuff because you definitely need bits of breaks, right, with all the schoolwork and essay writing and studying. So here's a little look at one of the bracelet designs I did with actually, if you spot it, one bead from the autumn collection and one from the January release, which I actually just filmed that video. So stay tuned. That's going to be coming out soon. Anyway, you guys, wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Take care and goodbye for now.